Okay, let's move on. So the next person, I guess, that we want to talk about is parents.
Right. So
Very important when it
parents.
comes to,
Okay. All
yeah,
right. So
because they're the one who pay for everything.
that's exactly right. My experience on the parents' photography comes from, believe it or not, my daughter-in-law was a professional photographer, a professional dancer,
Mhm.
and her mom telling me all kinds of stories about what she was trying to do and how she was either buying photography from the professionals or actually using iPhone and what is her experiences. And she's one of the ladies who actually very, very proud of what her daughter did, and she was helping her through many years of her dancing career,
Which is good.
which is
That's
awesome.
what the parents are
And
supposed to do.
right,
Encourage.
and they do have really beautiful, beautiful, beautiful dance shot in the living room. It's not huge. It's probably, I want to say, it's not 20 by 30. It's probably 16 by 20 or maybe 16 by 24.
Okay.
And anyway, and it's a memory forever. Again, she's been using photographers for many years, and she was a parent who was also taking the iPhone and while using iPhone. And how many times does it work or doesn't it work? I don't know. Basically, some of the photographers thinking that it's just very like because parents photographers are taking over. Everyone who's a parent there with the phone or with the camera taking pictures, and there is no place for photographer. And parents already spending lots of money, so they're not probably buying as much as the pro-am dancers are.
Yeah.
And so, yeah, some photographers will stay and some photographers will never stay for that stuff. All I want to talk about a little bit more about having parents in the room, and when the photographer, the pro photographer, official photographer, or guest photographer is there, that I would like to remind parents that, let's say, if I'm shooting the award ceremony, I don't want 10 people or 20 parents to be
Oh,
to getting in front of me.
that's really annoying.
Because honestly, if I can't get my job done, that's my job. I have to deliver the pictures. So
Sorry, parents, but you're not the priority.
right, I'm sorry for that,
Yeah,
but
sorry.
and usually actually people with a similar equipment like fancy cameras, professional cameras, we will be basically in the same space. But if you have an iPhone, in many cases, because the iPhone has a really wide lens,
Yeah, really,
and those
really wide.
to have something decent, you really have to get, let's say, 10, 15, 12, 5 feet
Really
in front,
close.
really close, and you are on the way for everyone. And if the photographer, if you got in the shot, then no one's getting the picture. Okay, so you basically ruining the
Basically, everyone hates you now.
right. So so just think
We're
about
being a
that.
little harsh here, but it's the truth.
Right.
Sorry,
So-
people.
so-
You have to. The photographer is the priority. You have to let them do their job.
Correct.
So please get out of the way in the most respectful way. Please get out of the way. It can be really hard
and
for us to
and
do our
also
job.
there are lots of people who do understand this whole concept, but also I can understand the parents' excitement about that their kids are actually right now on the top 6.
Yeah,
and they
that
are
is exciting.
And it's very exciting, and they are there. And basically, honestly, I'll tell you one thing: when you're taking a shot, close-up shot with iPhone, maybe you'll get something out of that. And keep doing what you're doing and practice and do that. But taking a group picture with iPhone, I mean,
It's. I think it's much better than action shots. Obviously.
well, it's a still image, but as far as getting everyone in focus, I think it's actually difficult. So it's not as easy as you think. But
Yeah.
you're getting memory. You're getting memory, and we understand it, and it's fine.